everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 376 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the AOA Studio Hush Cream Sheer Blush that I got from ShopMissA, and I am a big fan of the brand AOA Studio, and I'm usually so impressed by the products that AOA Studio makes. It's a ShopMissA brand, so this was only $1 and it's cruelty free. It's also paraben free. I have it in the shade Cupid, which is so appropriate since Valentine's Day is right around the corner. But this comes in 8 different shades, some really bright shades, some more bronze type shades, some really beautiful shades. So this one, when I saw it in person, looks like such a perfect shade for me. I'm very happy with this color, so hopefully it'll look good once I apply it. So let's start out by feeling it. Oh yes, so nice and creamy. I'm gonna swatch it too. Yes, I am loving this shade here. So it is pretty sheer, but from what I read online, it is buildable. And since it is a cream formula, I'm going to try applying it with my finger to start. And then if I need to blend it in with my sponge, I'll do that. But so I'm just going to start out by trying to be a little bit light-handed. Kind of hard for me when it comes to blushes. I feel like I always use too much, but gonna try and make this blend out. I mean, it is blending out really easily just with my finger. This cream formula is looking so smooth and natural on the skin. Like, it doesn't look like there's a product on my skin, and that's what I really love about cream products, especially since my skin does tend to get pretty dry. Yeah, I thought I went in with maybe a little too much, but now that it's blended out, it really has sheared out quite a bit and looks more just like a light flush of color. So now that the blush is blended out, it really does look so natural, from the shade to the finish on my skin to how sheer it is. So that's really nice. It was also so quick and easy to apply. I'm just going to go back in with a tiny bit more, a little tap onto each cheek. And see how this builds up. Yeah, that definitely makes a difference. So it is Buildable Color. It's just so impressive to me how well it sits on my skin, on my makeup. I do have large pores along this area, and it doesn't even look like I have any pores. This is just so smooth and creamy and nice on the skin. Does feel a little bit sticky, like I applied a cream product. But yeah, my skin looks very beautifully flushed. Maybe a little bit too much blush right now, but that always happens to me when I am trying out new blushes. But since I'm just judging it off of how the product looks, not my application, I'm very happy with it. For $1 too, like, I have to remember, this is just a $1 product, but this performs as well as any high-end blush I've ever tried. Another great AOA Studio product. So if you are looking for a very natural blush that's easy to apply, maybe if you don't put on foundation and you're just wanting to add a flush of color, I think a product like this would be great. Because of that cream formula, you can still blend it out easily. It looks so completely natural on the skin. So even if you're not wearing face makeup, putting this on won't make it look like you have a product on your cheeks because of that amazing finish. If you've tried this before, Definitely let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.